All right, here's my Aero Speed box fan, the same as the Comfort Zone, but it uses that wavy guard. And interestingly enough, Aero Speed still uses this guard on their version of the fan. But for Comfort Zone, they made the guard a little bit different so that people wouldn't get confused and think that the Comfort Zone is Aero Speed when in reality it actually is Aero Speed. But anyways, this fan it's got a very, very terrible blade set. But interestingly enough, it doesn't fall over. Some work had to be done to it, so that's been prepared, and all the screws are pretty much in there for the most part. So let's go ahead and run it. Here we go. Actually does have a startup sound. Interestingly enough, the Comfort Zone don't have a startup sound, and this one starts off on high. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but the fan is shaking quite badly. But it's not going to fall over, interestingly enough. It is rocking back and forth a lot, so if that thing falls over, I'm going to have to put the feet in it. I do have the original feet. Even though I put the feet in it, it's still shaking, but it's not as bad as it was without the feet. But with the feet in it, it makes the fan lean over even more, like it just wants to hit the floor. Let's hope that's not the case. China at its best, total garbage. At least the Aero Speed, for the Comfort Zone, is in way better shape. The Comfort Zone version of the Aero Speed is in way better shape than this garbage Aero Speed right here. You can't hear the airflow on the camera, I do apologize. It's a freak show with this fan, so oh well. Look how bad it's shaking now. Looks like it's just going to hit the floor. You can literally see it shaking on camera. It's a terrible, terrible shape. It has a terrible blade set. I should replace it because the comfort zone box fan is not that bad. I mean, it shakes, but not like that. That's just awful. The blade set in the comfort zone is not that bad at all. Comparing that one to this one, it's in way better shape. This one just shakes all over the place. It's terrible. The airflow is decent. It's just got a terrible blade set. But that's what you get when you buy Chinese garbage. Oh well. Sometimes it's good. For the most part, it's not. I don't think I'm going to keep this fan that much longer. I think I'm just going to go ahead and give it to my nephew or give it to someone. And eventually replace it probably with another comfort zone or probably the same fan again under a different brand like Home or something. Because it comes under many different brands that Aerospeed make it for. But hopefully it won't be so bad. Or just a totally different box fan or something to replace this. Because that's too bad. I don't want nothing in my collection like that. It shakes way too much and it's just awful. So I probably will give it to someone that needs it. But for now, I'm dealing with it, so it is what it is. All right, that's it. The shaking freak show. Anyways, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Rate, comment, subscribe, share, love, like. The Month of Fan Man. God bless y'all and gone and out.